Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class we saw how to make the student registration form. In this class I am going to teach the course registration part of the tutorial. Let's go to the database. I have created the database which name is online exam. You just click and open it. Here I have already created the table which name is student. Now I am going to go to create the new table which name is course. So here we have to create the table which name is course. Here you have to specify the column names, how many columns we need. So we need only 4 columns. Click go. Right, now first column will be ID. Length, let I put it here 11. Auto increment with primary. After that, course name. So you have to write course name. Here you have to select the data type as varchar. You have to specify the length of the course name. After that, another field is price. Data type int, length 11. After the duration of the course. Duration will be int, length will be 11. Right. These are the columns we should create in database, right? So let's click save one. This is the structure of the table course, right? So let's back to NetBeans. Now I am going to go to create the form. So select the default package, right click, new, JFrame form. Here you have to give the class name. I am going to give the class name course. Click finish. Now your form has been created successfully. Now I am going to design the form. So go to the palette. First I am going to drag one label on the palette. Right click, edit text. Here I am going to name the form, give the heading as course registration. Right. Now let's increase the font. So right click, properties. Select the font property with bold and select the font size which you want. Right. Okay. Now I am going to design the right. Now here first what I am going to first column should be the name, course name. So you write course name. We need a text field. So you drag the text field from the palette. This is the text field, right? You have drag the text fields. Now just click here, right? Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Get the copy. We have to design the remaining labels. Price. After that, duration. Right. Right. Now we have to drag the relevant label. Relevant text boxes of the labels. Just Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right. Now what I am going to do is here select this all the controls. Right click, properties. Go to the font property. We have to increase the font little bit. So select font style bold along with the size 24. Click OK. It seems to be big, so let's reduce the font size little bit. So 14 will be fine. So let's click OK. Okay, this would be fine. If you want, you will be able to increase the font size. Right. Now here, after that we need one button. So drag one button from the palette. This is the button. You just drag and drop here. Right. Now here first what I am going to do is here. First I am going to click on the button, right click, edit text. This one should be the add button. It's a course registration add button. So now I need one JTable. So let's go to the palette, drag one JTable, right? This is a table. We have drag here. Perfect, right? Now what I'm going to do is here, we have to first what I'm going to do is here, we have to just Control C copy, Control V paste. This one should be the edit button. This one should be the delete button. Control C copy, Control V, this is delete button. Right. Now what I'm going to see, we have to select the JTable. We have to arrange the table columns, right? So select the columns tab. First column will be course ID. Second column will be the course name. Third column will be the price. Fourth column will be the duration, right? Now click the close button, right? It's applied successfully. Select again the JTable, right click, properties, not properties, select table contents, click row. These are the default rows created, right? When you drag the JTable on the form, the defaultly this row will be created. So we have to select and remove each and every rows, right? Select, there will be the button called delete. Click delete, select delete, right? You have to do, right? Okay, this is the design of the completely course registration form, right? Now first what I am going to do is we have to change the name of each and every text field, right? So click on this text field, right click, edit text, backspace to remove the existing text, select again properties, select, right click, change variable name. We have to select we have to give here as txt course name, cname. Second text field we have I'm going to change as price. So select the text field, right click, edit text, backspace to remove the existing text, select again, change variable txt price. We have to change this one as a txt price. Third one I'm going to change it as a duration. So select the text field, right click, select the option edit text, backspace to remove the existing text, again select the text field, right click, change variable txt duration, right? Click OK. Now I successfully changed the names of the each and every text boxes. Now I am going to go to write the code for that. So first select the add button, right click, event action perform, right? Now what I am going to do is, I have already written all the codes in my previous student.java here, right? So let's back to my student.java page. First I am going to establish the database connection. So what I am going to do is here, these are the codes I wrote to establish the database connection. So let's copy this one, and here we have to Control V to paste here, right? Now what I am going to do is here, this is the method. So this is the connection method. When the form is loading, this connection method will be loaded, right? So let's Control C to copy this connection method, paste inside the constructor, right? This is the things we have to do first, right? After that, what I am going to do is we have to register the course, right? So double click on the edit button, add button. So we have to write here student.java. So this is the code we are written for the add button, right? This is the button. So let's copy that code, right? Control C to copy, Control V to paste inside the course add button. Okay, we no need to write again by again. Once you written, you just copy and paste and you have to change it, right? Now here first what I am going to say, this is the variables we have created. So we have to change the variable name. This variable course name, price and duration. So we have to change this one as a string course name. Second one should be the price. Third one should be the duration. Right. First one txt. This one should be the txt cname, mean course name. Second one should be the txt price. Third one should be the txt duration. Right. This one we don't need it, we just remove that. Right. Here, this is a prepare statement we have written. So the prepare statement, which table you are going to insert the record? Course table. So insert into which table you are going to insert the record? Course table. So you have to give the table name properly here, over here. Now you have to specify the column names within this bracket, right? So this is the table, consists of the course table, right? This is the columns, consists of the course table. So ID is auto increment, we don't need it. We need course name, price and duration. So we have to give here as course name, comma, price, comma, duration. We have to write duration. Right, that's the thing we have to do. Now we have to write the prepare statement, right? We have only 3 columns, so we have to put 3 question mark over here. Now these are the values, right? What are the user enter on this text box? These values are assigning to this variables, course name, price and duration. We have to call it here. So Ctrl C, copy, Ctrl V, paste here. Right. Now what I am going to do is here, this sequence of parameters followed by the sequence of columns in the database table, right? So here what I am going to do is, right, now here first what I am going to see, we have to, after add the record, we have to display the message record added. After that we have to clear the each and every text boxes, right? So what I am going to see, this text box name, Ctrl C, copy, Ctrl V, paste here, Ctrl C, copy, Ctrl V, paste here, Ctrl C, copy, Ctrl V, paste here, right? We have to remove them. This one, Ctrl C, copy, Ctrl V, paste here, right? Now what I am going to do is here, we have to, this the course, right, registration part. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. So let's select this one, right click, run file. Right, this is course. When the form is loaded, it should be loaded at the center. So select the form, right click, properties, code, generate center, click close, right? Right click. Now let's click on this one, run file, right? Okay, now another changes we have to need. We have to change the, select this one, go to the source, Ctrl F to find. We have to change the UI design. So we have to, here we have to just type on this text box UI. This is the design, right? I'm going to change the UI design as Menta, right? A Menta. This is the design. Okay, this is the default user interface of Java, right? Right click and run. You will be able to see here, this is the default user interface of Java. Okay, now I am going to register the course name as Java. Price I am going to enter as 20,000. Duration 6 months. 6. I just hit as 6, right? Click add button. Record added. It's working perfectly well. Now let's check on the database table. The record is successfully added or not. Just click on the browse. It's added successfully. Edit and delete the record, you must try yourself. I already explained in the student part how to add the records and how to delete the records and how to clear the records, how to load the data JTable. All the stuff you must try yourself, right? Thank you for watching. I will continue in my next lecture.